Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the Pecute Pet Nail Grinder. This is model PGT-NG01, and it's one of those pet nail grinders that makes it easier instead of using a nail clipper on the dog. So we're going to try this out, of course, in a review, but it says it's super quiet, cordless operation, ergonomic handle, makes it easy to hold, 2 different speeds, and it's a USB rechargeable design. Pretty cool. You'll see it has, this looks like it's in German there, so I guess it has some German information. So let's go ahead and take a look in the box. Looks like it's like a little thank you for purchasing. And then also in the box here we have our it's a USB to the little power cord, so it's not just a standard little USB like a micro USB cable, so don't lose this. Of course, there's no little travel case, which you know from my other videos I hate. Give me a damn travel case that I can put everything in and keep it together. Otherwise, I gotta come up with my own thing. Anyway, so here it is. We have the little grinder there. It's not charged, but you can see 1, 2, the different speeds. It is a nice little design here, and that's the little power supply connection at the bottom. So we're gonna check that out. What I will say is just from initially looking at it, I guess you can do it like that. I'm gonna have to read the little manual, but you can open and close it. So I guess it runs like that. Let's see what it says here. Grinding wheel, grinding body. So you can use the different sides of this on here to get the different lengths for either a smaller or large pet. So that's almost like the safety. And then this, if you want to just do it like that, that's for grinding thicker nails. So we're going to charge it, give it a try, and we're going to see how it works. My younger dog, the bigger one, but younger, is a real pain in the you-know-what with getting nails done. So sometimes they say these are better. We'll see how it works. So check back for the review of that. And there you go. So that's what's in the box of the Pecute Pet Nail Grinder PGT-NG01. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.